Hey, it's Sam here, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the TTC Frozen Silent V2 Switch, also known as the Silent Glacier Switch. It's a silent linear switch priced around $5 for a pack of 10 factory pre-lubed switches. The switch looks like this with a transparent top and bottom housing, a dust-proof stem design, an LED diffuser, and is 3-pin hot swap. With the switch open, you can see the spring and metal leaf inside and the housing, which are all lightly factory lubed. The switch has an actuation force of 39 grams, a pre-travel of 2 mm, total travel of 3.5 mm, and a lifespan of 50 million clicks. The top housing has the TTC branding and it's made from clear polycarbonate for this ice-like clear finish. The stem has a dust-proof design, is slightly lubed, and has a mute ring to dampen the sound. The spring is single-stage with a length of 20 mm and it has some lube applied as well. The bottom housing is lubed too with a mute pad added to the bottom and features a silver-plated leaf and pins for a more uniform and white-ish look. The diffuser just looks like this and it helps to make the RGB shine through better. As for the typing feel, the Switch offers a smooth and silent typing experience with no spring ping at all. It also has a soft pillowy bottom out feel that's great for long periods of typing. There is a slight membrane-like feel to it which is expected from a silent Switch, but it's not a deal breaker in my opinion. For the sound test, I'll be comparing it to the XVX Ice linear switches on the XVX M67 JadeStone keyboard. This is so you can hear the difference while showing off how great the RGB shine through is on this switch. Anyways, here is the sound test, please enjoy. Okay, here are my final thoughts on the TTC Frozen Silent V2 switches. After testing the switches, I found them to be smooth and enjoyable to use, offering a pleasant silent typing experience. The switch being factory pre-lubed also helps eliminate any spring ping, improving the overall sound quality. Plus, the transparent ice clear design not only looks great but also amplifies the RGB on your keyboard, so you get to enjoy it without any compromises. So if you're looking for a silent switch that is smooth, quiet, and enhances RGB, the TTC Frozen Silent V2 is a good choice. As always, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to TTC for the switches, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.